Like, I would definitely rock this. I feel like people would question whether it was my hair. Like, it looks that real. Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I'm going to be reviewing this big fluffy full wig. So if you'd like to see more, then just stay tuned. But before we begin, I would like for everyone to check out my website, La Vida Rosa Style, where you can find cute accessories like the ones I'm wearing right now. So make sure you check out that link down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright y'all, so this wig is a Zury sister wig, Naturally Star, in the style RIX and in the color 4. And it is a lace front, and it has a nice middle part, and it looks very natural. Just, you know, in my hand it looks very natural. That's my skin poking through. And it has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, 2 adjustable straps. It's obviously like an afro type wig, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on real quick to see how it looks. So when I first put it on, I feel like the shape is a little bit off. I feel like I want to like shape it up a little bit myself. First of all, I want to take a little bit off the bottom because that shape is just a little bit odd to me. So I'm just going to take a little bit off the bottom. Just so it can flow a little bit better. And now, first of all, it looks so cute on the model, doesn't it? I don't know. I'm trying to make it, I want it to be just as cute on me. Okay, hold on. Because I know it can be. I don't think this wig is big head friendly because it's squeezing my head right now. I'm someone who likes volume, so I'm going to go ahead and pick it out with the afro pick and see what I can get from it. I think I'm just going to pick like lower down here, pick this part out, because I don't want it to get more of like that triangle shape it has. So I'm going to try to like round it out at the bottom here, because it's really cute. Okay, this is coming, it's coming together. It's coming together, y'all. Oh, maybe if I think I'm gonna cut some bangs right here, because I think I would like it a little bit better this way. Let's see. I hope I don't mess it up. Alright y'all, so I think I like it better without the part. Oh, I like it so much better without the part. It looks so much better without the part. Okay, this is the way I'm wearing it. It looks so good. Okay, I kind of liked it with the part, but I love it with like the little bang I cut. And it was super easy to cut if you want to like make it your own. This definitely mimics like a loose curl texture, but it's been picked out. It's very fluffy, flowy, full, dense. This is like a really full thick head of hair. So if you're like looking to try like a natural type of look and you want it to look very natural like your own, this is definitely a good dude. Like, I would definitely rock this. I feel like people would question whether it was my hair. Like, it looks that real. I did have to trim and do a little alterations myself, but that was super easy to do. It really, you know, didn't take much for me to make it my own. Obviously, you don't really get any tangling or shedding because, I mean, what are you really doing? You're not really combing it out, so you don't really get any of that. I feel like this would be like a good everyday wig. The hair itself just feels nice and soft. It comes in many different colors too. If you're looking for a blondish color, or this is like a 4, so this is like a natural brown, but if you're looking for like a black They definitely have a wide selection of colors to choose from. You can apply heat to this up to 400 degrees. So yeah guys, let me know what you guys think down below. How do you feel about this wig? Do you like it? Would you wear it yourself? If you would like to purchase your own, it's from Ebony Line, and I will leave the link down below. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.